In this question, you have to identify which are fused in somatic hybridization involving two varieties of plants. Option A, protoplasts. Now, in somatic hybridization, the protoplasts, that is, cells without a cell wall, from two different plant varieties are first isolated and then fused using methods like polyethylene glycol treatment or electrofusion. And this leads to the formation of somatic hybrids. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, pollens. It is incorrect because pollens are involved in sexual reproduction and not in somatic hybridization, because a somatic hybridization is an asexual method involving only somatic cells and not gametes like pollen. Option C, callus. It is also incorrect because callus refers to a mass of undifferentiated cells that can be used for the regeneration or genetic modification, but is not directly used in the somatic hybridization. Option D, somatic embryos. It is also incorrect because somatic embryos are formed from somatic cells under specific conditions but are not fused during somatic hybridization.